All of the violence is starting to weigh on first responders.
You need a little bit of time to adjust because that's traumatic. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're a superhero. Those things take a toll.
Mental health isn't just a concern for people in the community dealing with violence, but also for the people responding to it. WCIA3's Bryce Beeman is with us. Bryce, there are places first responders can go to for help.
I spoke with several first responders in Champaign County. They told me about the different mental health resources they have in place for their employees.
I think mental health is obviously a huge deal. I mean, I think we're learning more and more in law enforcement every day about the benefits of having somebody we can talk to about some of the things we see, some of the incidents we handle.
First responders put their lives on the line to help others.
That accumulation of really ugly things that they see, it does take its toll on a lot of people.
They're the first people arriving on scene to help others, and sometimes what they respond to can be devastating.
We have to keep that in mind. You know, we come to work every day. We don't get to take a time out, and we don't get to say no when the alarm goes off. We go and we handle whatever the situation is, no matter who it is that needs help, and sometimes those things have a lasting and lingering impact.
This past year has been stressful for everyone, but for those whose job it is to respond to shootings, fires, and other traumatic events, it can take a toll on their mental health.
For a long time, kind of put that as a negative stigma if you sought help, and I think we're starting to kind of break the ice a little bit to see that there's definitely benefits in having these programs available.
Rancho Police have an employee assistance program and chaplain program, which gives officers and their families resources to speak with someone if they need.
It revolves around things that they're feeling about at work or things that even in their home life, a place that they can reach out and talk to somebody about these problems that they're having.
Meanwhile, over in Champaign, the fire department has a doctor they work with for mental health resources, as well as a peer support program, which is also utilized at the Urbana Fire Department.
It's trained firefighters that are trained to listen, trained in special resources, and trained to help our members when they're in a time of crisis, and even to help their families if there's a time of crisis.
U of I Police is also doing what it can to help officers, the community, and other departments in the area. The department utilizes comfort dogs and has a trained mental health specialist on hand.
We have always focused kind of outward, like, you know, we're out there to help other people. We're really pushing that hard. But the idea that our officers are not seeing these terrible, horrible things on a daily basis.
All three departments told me they hope to see mental health resources for first responders nationwide. Jess?